Hello friends, this is Huion RTS 300 graphic tablet. This graphic tablet is suitable for NFT creators, students, teachers, animation creators and multimedia workers. Let's unbox our product. This is the graphic tablet. Next we can see our other essential accessories. If they are Huion PW400 pen, you can watch a full pen review in the mid of this video. This is the pen holder. This pen holder comes with good build quality and we can use this pen holder for hold our pen during the drawing process. Now you can see the quick start guide of this device, and this guide helps us to use this device in meaningful way. You can download this guide using their website. This is the Type A to C connecting cable of this device. This cable helps us to connect our device with computer or your laptop. This cable has a good durability and build quality. This device comes with an OTG adapter. This adapter helps to connect with USB Type-C interfaces. This is the free extra Nib Pack offered by the Huion for this graphic tablet. We can use this replacement nibs when our original nib worn out, as well as we can use this pen holder as our nib removing tool. By using and following this instruction, we can change our nibs easily. Now we can see our Huion PW400 battery free pen, and this pen has two programmable buttons, durable nib, 8192 levels pressure sensitivity, 60 degrees tilt support, 50080 LPI pen resolution, good grip and battery free technology. This is our drawing tablet, and this drawing tablet has a good resolution and a good surface. This graphic tablet has 6 programmable keys and good working area. This working area works according to your device type. This device has a good reading height and good report rate, and these things helps to reduce the latency of this drawing tablet. I checked this drawing tablet with some softwares, and you can see that softwares in this list from green color. If you like to watch driver installing and setup video, click on the above Cardo playlist. You can buy this device from their official website, flagship store and your local distributor according to your region. Thanks for watching. If you like to watch this kind of more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share it with your friends.